Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to set up a standing order with Lloyds Bank account. So first thing you're going to need to do is visit their website, their official website. So you just have to search for lloydsbank.com. And from here, you can see that there's a step-by-step guide on how to set up a standing order. So you can do this online, so you can set up a standing order for up to 25,000 using your phone, tablet, or web browser. So here is the mobile banking application guide. So first is to log in and select the account. And you just have to tap on the three dots menu beside the account that you want to set up. And then just select the regular payments. Then choose set up a standing order. Step number 3 is select who to pay. So this can be one of your own accounts, someone you've paid before, or someone new. Step 4 is enter an amount, and then you just have to select make a standing order. Then after that, just choose how often to make the payment, as well as when it should start and finish. Step number 6 is select continue, and then just check the details if they are right. Then after confirming, then tap on confirm. Then they may ask you to enter your password. So you just have to enter your password. And after that, it's all done and you will see a message to confirm that you've set up a standing order. Then we also have here the internet banking guide. So first is to log in, select more actions from your account. Then number 2 is select direct debits and standing orders. Then just choose a set up a standing order. And then step number 3 is select who to pay. This can be one of your own accounts, someone you've paid before, or someone new, as I've said earlier. And then just enter the amount and a reference if you have one. And then just choose how often to make the payment, as well as when it should start and finish. Then you just have to select continue. Then before that, check the details if they are right. Then after confirming, just tap on confirm standing order to go ahead. And then after that, it's all done, and you will see a message to confirm that you've set up a standing order. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!